Hi guys, this is day number 15 of this affiliate promotion where we're trying to go from zero to $1,000,000 a year or $7,500 a week. And apologize about the noise in the background. Got family members in the other room watching a movie. All right, in this video, we're going to go over the 15th day of training here. So far, we've signed up for the affiliate program and it allowed us to make $200 commissions. We've made short videos. Now we're doing longer form YouTube videos once a week. If you are here for the first time and this is the first video you've watched, please watch the other 15 videos. Starting with video number 1 because this is a step-by-step process. Let's see. In there, we covered how to sign up for the program. You go to gianroberts.com/sign up. Get the free training and my mini course. You go to gianroberts.com/free access. And to get the daily emails, go to gianroberts/free leads and sign up for the email program. The schedule is as follows. We're going to send out our daily emails to our email swipes, our email account. Sign up for that account by going to this free access link or free leads link right here. Then we're going to make 5 short 30-second short videos. We're going to upload those to TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram, and YouTube. That's what this checklist is here. Remember to include the hook, the frame, and the call to action. Don't say the words money, income, or work from home in your video, or post that in the text of the video. All right, so we're really ramping up the system now. I wanted to go over a kind of an overview of the system and how it works and what our overall plan is. So let me go into slideshow mode here. All right, this marketing method is called ecosystem marketing, and it works in the following way. If we go and look at the original marketing, it's got a broken system. The system is broken. Traditional affiliate marketing, because you set up a traffic source and then you put your link out there and then you get paid. The problem is that you have to go out and find another customer in this process. In ecosystem marketing, we're constantly in constant touch with our leads, and therefore we're using social media to drive traffic into our system here. And then once they're in our system, we then have their email, and we can constantly offer them different offers throughout the life cycle of that customer. So this is how social media ecosystem marketing is a little bit different, because we're building a brand around ourselves. That's the system. The brand is around ourselves, and then we get them in our ecosystem and we offer them a range of products that they could take advantage of. So this is how this type of affiliate marketing works, as opposed to direct linking. There's this process here called direct linking. We're trying to get them into a system and building a relationship with our customers during the system. Now, there's 2 types of traffic out there. There's outreach traffic, and then there's traffic that you reach out to. So what the problem with paid traffic is that when you do paid traffic, it's like building your system on an island, and you have to ship in all these people from all over the place to come to your island to buy your product or service, right? So we're shipping people in, we're paying Google and other Facebook and other uh, platforms to ship clients to us. They come to our island and they decide whether they want to purchase our product or service. Even if they don't purchase, we still have to pay for getting that traffic to our island, right? So our system is a little bit different. What we're doing is going to social media where people are already at. We're setting up our store right here in social media. We're attracting people in our local area, in our local social media sphere, and we're inviting them to our system. So it's a little different. It's like building it in the middle of a city where people are already at instead of building our system on an island where nobody's at. So that being said, there's 4 types of value that we can give to our customers um, to basically make money, right? So there's 4 types of value. You can think of it as a value ladder or hierarchy. And let's go over each individual step. The first step is skill and labor. The next step is manager. The third step is system builder. And the fourth step is creator or visionary. All right. So when you're a skilled laborer, your income is capped because of time, right? You can only put so much time and effort into your labor and skill, and whatever you get paid per hour is kind of the limit on how much you can make as a skilled laborer. And even if you freelance and have multiple customers and clients, you're still limited by time. So individually, the cap is around $100,000 or less, depending on your skills and what type of service that you offer. So that being said, the next step up in the value ladder is a manager. This is where you manage one or more persons under you, leveraging their time to generate you more income. You take a percentage of that income and pay them a percentage of that income. So when you're leveraging other people's time, this is called the manager position. You can make $100,000 plus. And according to how much time and their skill level and a number of factors, depends on how much you make at this level, but you do have to pay other people in this process. So now the next step up from that is called the system builder. A system builder is one that has multiple managers. They manage different aspects of the business. So you might have one as a customer acquisition, you might have one in sales and marketing, you might have another in customer retention. And so you set up systems in all 3 areas, and then they hire your team and manage your team for you. And you make a percentage on all that labor and effort, giving you more value. And the next step is called the creator and visionary. This is where you set up multiple businesses or multiple systems, and you are putting in the least amount of effort, but you come up with the big idea. You put these teams together, these systems together, and they start generating you passive income. And all you do is come up with the big ideas and implement that, set up your systems and teams, and let that do its work. Now, you can't start here because you don't have a proven system yet. So, what we've done here with this program is we are starting at this first level, right? The skill and labor. We're teaching you skills and showing you how you can leverage that skill and then create a management position and automate this process. Um, so recently I did a video, and I'll just type it in here. So how do you go from to 1 million. Actually, I can pull it up. Let me pull this up. Hold on. Yep. That's not what I wanted. All right. So how do you go from 1 million or $0 to $1 million in a year? And so there's three possible scenarios here. First, you can sell a $100 product 10,000 times, or you can sell a $1,000 product 1,000 times, or you could sell a $10,000 product 100 times. So, what is the best scenario? Well, you might think it's selling a $100 product 10,000 times. In order to do this, you'd have to drive 500,000 people to your offer at a conversion rate of 2%. And make 27 sales per day in order to make $1 million a year. So this is probably undoable for most people, sending that amount of traffic to a offer. The second method that you might think would be the better way would be to find 100 people to sell a $10,000 product to, and that's definitely doable. But you have to give great value that's worth $100,000 or more in order to do that. So this is typically done through a mastermind group or a traffic and sales system, which I show you how to set up here at G. Allen Roberts Free Access. If you use the Pro program, I show you how you set up a traffic system that you can sell for $10,000. And if you sell one of these packages every week, you'd be on your way to making $1 million a year. But this is highly skilled, and it does require that you close people over the phone. So the easiest way, and the way that I think most people can do this, can achieve this, is by selling a $1,000 product 1,000 times in a year. So if you can sell $1,000 product 1,000 times a year, that's three sales a day. So you can do this if you can do this with one or more digital products. So I teach you to start out with this product here, but you can add additional digital products, which will increase your odds of making 2.7 sales per day. And we're driving consistent traffic. Now, our system is set up in two phases. First of all, we're teaching you how to create videos and how to set up these videos long term using YouTube. So we're going to do longer form videos. And the next phase, in the 20-day mark or so, we're going to set up a blog where you can create articles, best of, or the best way, the best AI software to create written content, or whatever the best of is, or how-to articles. And we're going to use keyword research, and we're going to do linking outreach programs, which again is all taught here in my mini course, how to do outreach programs. That being said, if you do all of this, you do phase one and phase two, you can generate an income between $10,000 and $300,000 a month in the next 18 months or so. But in the next 90 days, we're looking to generate at least 10 grand per week with this system. So It's up to you how much consistent effort you want to put in. And the reason why we are creating a personal brand around ourselves is because we want to be able to pivot to different affiliate offers, and we want a consistent form of traffic. So if we point people all over the internet and don't have a single point to send people to, like our personal blog and our YouTube channel, then that traffic just goes in several different directions. We want to funnel that traffic to our YouTube and blog pages so that we can have exponential growth around our brand, and we can pivot to different affiliate offers, making us consistent income long term. So that's the whole goal of this program, and I hope that makes sense. Covered a lot in this video. Hope that all that makes sense for you, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good day.